Hey guys, hola chicos, welcome back to my channel. Today I did a 4th of July inspired makeup look. I really wanted to use blue and red together, but I was trying to figure out ways of how it could be wearable. So I ended up coming up with this look right here. If you want to know how I got this look, then just keep on watching. So I'm going to start off with the BH Cosmetics Glamour Reflection Gilded palette, and I'm going to use that like camely brown shade with the MAC 286 brush, and I'm going to focus that mainly in the outer corner and in the crease as well. And right before I get into too much detail, I'm going to use the Becca highlighter and Champagne Pop with the BH Cosmetics 118 brush just to highlight my brow bone and a little bit in my inner corner as well. And then I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills dual-ended brush, and I'm using the denser side just to use that same exact color right on the lower lash line, and I'm kind of adding some definition with that brush as well. I'm going back in with that MAC 286 brush just to blend everything out. And then I'm going in with that medium toned brown color, and I'm just adding some more depth in my eye. And I'm switching in between brushes just so I can blend things out and then add more detail. And then I'm creating more of a like bolder crease, so I'm just adding a little bit more darkness in my crease, and then I'm blending it out with that Anastasia brush. And for my lid, I'm going to use the Shade and Light Glimmer Eye Contour Palette in the shade Rust. I want something that's a white, like glittery tone because my lips and my eyeliner is already going to be colorful. And for eyeliner, I'm going to use the Maybelline Lasting Drama Waterproof Gel Pencil in Lustrous Sapphire. I'm going to use that in the middle of my eye and towards the outer corner. And this is just going to be an ombre wing, so that's why I'm just focusing on the middle of my eye and the outer corner. And I'm also going to be using the Morphe M432 brush just to help me create that wing. It's a lot easier to do a straight line with this brush. And I'm just going to be going back and forth with the pencil and the brush just to create the look that I'm going for. And I'm going back in with that pencil because I felt like the color was kind of fading away. And I'm also putting that inside my waterline, just in the bottom though, just in like the outer part. And then I'm going in with the black, any black eyeshadow, and I'm going in the inner corner and in the middle. I started in the middle because I still had some blue left over, and I kind of wanted to blend the black and the blue together. And I want the inner corner to be completely black. And this is what I have so far, and then I'm just going to put mascara on. I'm going to use the Light Camera Lashes mascara. I'm going to coat my top and my bottom lashes. I'm not coating my top ones too much because I'm going to use falsies anyways. Alright, and this is one finished look. I really hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to like and subscribe this video, but if you guys want to add a little bit more for 4th of July, then just keep on watching. Alright, and for this I used the glitter primer just because I knew I wanted to take them off quickly. I wasn't going to use them all day, otherwise I would probably use lash glue that was clear. And I used the All Glown Up, the silver holographic glitter. It has like different shapes and sizes, and they had small little stars, and I just used those and put them right on my inner corner and kind of going up to my crease. It was super easy to do, and it just added a little bit of pop, and I did one right at the bottom of my eye. Alright, and this is my completely finished 4th of July inspired makeup look. I really hope you enjoy. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye chicos!